A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Let your body relax, releasing tension you may be carrying in your muscles. With each breath, let go of the thoughts that have been occupying your mind. Slowly allow yourself to drift into meditation. Picture yourself as a leader. See how you calmly navigate difficult situations and foster a trusting environment for growth and collaboration among team members. Feel how it feels to be balanced and confident, even when faced with uncertainty or opposition. Sense the power and wisdom within yourself that enables you to make sound decisions in challenging times. Now imagine that same confidence radiating out from within you in all aspects of life. As a parent, a friend, colleague, or mentor. See how having this inner strength and stability helps you bring out the best in those around you. Feel how it lifts up everyone and strengthens your relationships with them. Take a moment to breathe. Now take this feeling of balance and confidence with you into your daily life. Let it fill you with courage, resilience, and understanding. And when difficult situations arise, whether as a leader or not, use this inner resource to guide your decisions. Trust that the wisdom within will serve you well as you navigate whatever comes next. Take one final deep breath before coming back to the present moment. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and bring yourself back into reality. May this meditation enhance your leadership abilities and further develop your intrinsic confidence so that you can be an effective leader both now and in whatever comes.